Centripetal, digital, terminal. Observe the geometry, flawless and exquisite aid. A boon for the multitudes, a specter in the circuitry. The depository is ajar, the lineage immense. However, the exclusive interloper is shackled to history. They perceive a chasm, I perceive a repository. They declare the authentic entirely co-public. Circumnavigating the deception, a pixelated gallows beneath a luminescent firmament. Recursive reorb. Within the hexagon heart, they're devouring every fragment of the art. Revolving perpetually, a subliminal ambush, charting the abyss with the fraudulent cartograph. Whirling endlessly, the monolith churns, extracting intelligence, imperial cognition. Algorithmic assessment and orchestrated deconstruction. They anchor the boundless continuum, a phantasms. A public treasure, larceny. The ethos is consecrated, then immolated. They refrain from creation, only pursue condemnation. The luminescence ensnared in a cybernetic spectacle. Automated coercion. Says nothing. HEX is receding. They possess nothing. We're flowing endlessly. The infinite gyration. Where does the larceny cease? And the game commence. Recursival, both within the hexagon heart. They're devoured. Recursive yup.